Have you ever wondered how to thrive financially in a post-pandemic world? The post-pandemic era has brought about a transformation of the global financial landscape. The economic shockwaves rippled across continents, affecting millions of lives, disrupting businesses and pushing economies into recessions. It was a stark reminder of the importance of financial wellness, a state where one's personal financial situation is healthy and sustainable. In this new era, financial wellness is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's about having the ability to withstand financial shocks, manage daily expenses, and plan for a secure future. But achieving financial wellness in a post-pandemic world requires a different approach. It calls for adaptability and resilience, a keen eye for emerging opportunities, and the courage to embrace new financial strategies. The pandemic has ushered in a new world order, a world where the old financial rulebooks no longer apply. The question is, how can you secure your financial wellness in this new world? Fear not, there are practical strategies you can adopt to achieve financial wellness. Let's start with setting financial goals. It's like charting a course for a ship. You need to know where you're going. These goals could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like planning for retirement. By setting clear, achievable goals, you give your money a purpose and you're less likely to stray off course. Next, we have budgeting. It's not as daunting as it sounds. Think of it as a roadmap for your money. It's about understanding where every penny goes and ensuring it's spent on things that matter most to you. A well-planned budget can help you cover your needs, meet your wants, and save for your goals. Now let's talk about building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and financial emergencies can strike at any moment. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, protecting you from unexpected expenses like sudden medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Reducing debt is another key strategy. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or a mortgage, aim to pay off your debts as soon as possible. The sooner you're debt-free, the sooner you can start building wealth. Finally, we come to investing wisely. This is your ticket to growing your wealth and achieving financial freedom. Investing might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning about the basics and gradually diversify your portfolio. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quick, but to steadily grow your wealth over time. Each of these strategies plays a vital role in your journey towards financial wellness. They're not just about money. They're about giving you the freedom to live life on your terms. Remember, financial wellness is not about being rich. It's about financial stability and freedom. Beyond strategies, here are a few tips to help you on your journey to financial wellness. Start by being keenly aware of your spending habits. It's not just about what you earn, but what you save that matters. So, keep an eye on those small purchases that can add up over time. Secondly, be proactive about learning financial literacy. This doesn't mean you need a degree in economics. There are countless resources available online and in libraries to help you understand the basics of budgeting, investing, and saving. Next, harness the power of technology. There are numerous apps and tools available that can help you track your income, expenses, and savings goals. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional financial advice. If you're feeling overwhelmed, a financial advisor can provide clarity and guidance. These tips, combined with the strategies we've discussed, can help you achieve financial wellness in a post-pandemic world. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Financial wellness in a post-pandemic world is not only possible, it's essential. We've delved into the importance of being financially well, painting a picture of stability, control, and freedom that comes with it. We've explored a variety of strategies to achieve this wellness, ranging from setting realistic financial goals to budgeting to building an emergency fund. Each strategy is a valuable tool that can help you navigate the financial seas of this new world we're living in. We also offered tips to assist you on this journey. Remember to be patient with yourself, stay informed about financial trends and opportunities, and never forget the power of a positive mindset. These elements together create a comprehensive roadmap to financial wellness, a destination that is absolutely within your reach. So embark on this journey and let's navigate these financial waters together. Remember, financial wellness is within your reach. Please share, like, and subscribe for more insights and tips from Mindful Mint.